Hello everyone, so here is Ghost platform. So it's one of alternatives to WordPress, which is gaining popularity. It's basically a publishing platform where you can basically create your own blog, something like this. And yep, to make your website private, just go to general and then toggle this button. And then you can just set up the password for this website. And after that your website is basically private, and anyone who wants to access it won't be available online unless until you enter a password here. And it also won't be available for search engines to index it, so it won't be available in Google and stuff. So it can be useful when you just have a blog, you just imported it, for example, or created it, and you want to polish it, make sure that it looks great, and only after that open up it to the public.